May is National Home Improvement Month, a time to refresh, repair, and rethink your space. One upgrade often overlooked is water quality. But safeguarding your water with whole house filtration isn't just a luxury, it's an essential for your home health. Water softeners, like Aquasure's Harmony series, remove minerals like calcium and magnesium to prevent scale buildup, extend the life of appliances, and improve skin and hair health. Tap water can carry trace contaminants affecting its taste, smell, and purity. Reverse osmosis or RO systems, like the Aquasure Premier RO series, remove up to 99% of harmful contaminants, delivering crisp, quality drinking water. Whole house filters capture a range of contaminants depending on how they're built. Pleated filters catch sediments like sand, silt, rust, and dirt before they reach your plumbing and other water treatment systems. Filters with carbon, zinc copper, or KDF media can reduce contaminants like chlorine, VOCs, and heavy metals. And for more complicated water issues, combining 2 or more of these systems gives your home water complete protection. Aquasure's Signature Pro Bundle combines softening, filtering, and RO technology to transform your home water. Investing in a water system is a smart home improvement that gets to the root of what matters most.